In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use anchor text and auto-place fields in DocuSign. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end you're comfortable with leveraging these powerful tools to streamline your document signing experiences. Let's begin by heading over to the DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, look for the section titled Templates and click on it. Templates in DocuSign are useful for saving time and ensuring consistency across your documents, especially if you're frequently sending similar documents to different recipients. Next, you're going to click on My Templates. This will bring up a list of all the templates you've created or have access to. From here, choose the template you want to use by clicking on Use. This action will prepare your template for the document you'll be working with. Now, it's time to upload your document. You can either click on the Upload button or simply drag and drop your file into the indicated area on the template page. Once uploaded, you'll see fields where you can specify details essential for your document. Start by typing in the recipient's name. Ensuring accuracy here is crucial as it directs the document to the right person. After entering the name, go ahead and type in the recipient's email address. Double-check this information to prevent any errors in delivering your document. Continue by typing in the subject of your document. The subject line should be clear and concise, giving your recipient a quick understanding of what the document pertains to. Finally, add your message in the message field if there's anything additional you'd like to communicate alongside your document. With those steps completed, click on Next, which takes you to the field placement section of DocuSign. This area focuses on setting up where recipients need to interact with the document. On the left side of the screen, find the initial field and drag it to the correct location on your document where their initials are required. It's also crucial to specify the location for each field correctly. Once you've placed your fields, click Setup to configure any additional details for the signers. This includes setting up anchor text and ensuring fields are accurately mapped to the right recipients, providing a seamless signing experience. To add fields using auto placement, type them into the designated spots on your template. After you're confident the fields are correctly set up, click on Apply. This step finalizes the fields and prepares the document for sending. To wrap things up, complete the process by clicking OK. This action saves your setup instructions and your document is now ready to be sent out. By taking these steps, you ensure that every document you send is prepared correctly for an efficient, professional signing experience. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident using anchor text and auto-place fields in DocuSign.